Most people overthink oil and overlook the filter, but that filter is your engine's last line of defense. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best oil filters of 2026 across cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. No sponsored picks, just real results. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Bosch Premium is a filter with serious engineering behind it and a fitment list that covers a surprisingly wide range of vehicles. The Filtech Media technology is the core feature, designed to capture and hold up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants before they circulate through your engine. The strong steel base plates and housings are engineered to OE-fit standards, preventing the warpage and poor seating that cause slow oil leaks over time. The silicone anti-drain back valve delivers clean oil to your engine on every cold start, and the metal spiral-wound center tube reinforces the filter against internal pressure spikes. If your vehicle is on that list, this is a premium pick worth considering. It lands at 8, simply because the 7 above it push filtration technology further. Number 7 is something completely different from everything else on this list. The Quicksilver 80289-3Q01, and it's here because a significant number of drivers watching this also run marine engines. If that's you, this section matters. Quicksilver is the OEM filtration brand for Mercury Marine, and the 80289-3Q01 is produced specifically to Mercury Marine's original equipment manufacturer specifications. The filter element is rated at 25 microns, a very fine filtration for a marine application. And the media is a multi-component construction: polyester, cellulose, and glass fiber with a phenolic binder coated in silicon. Marine engines operate in an environment that is categorically more demanding than road vehicles. Constant load, variable fuel quality, saltwater exposure, and extended storage periods between uses. If you're running a Mercury Marine outboard or stern drive, this is the filter. For automotive applications, everything else on this list is going to serve you better. At number 6, the AC Delco GM F2232 makes the same essential argument for GM owners that it makes every time it appears on a list like this, and it's an argument worth hearing. AC Delco GM original equipment parts are designed, validated, and tested by the same GM engineers who built the engines themselves. This isn't a marketing line. It reflects a genuine engineering advantage that aftermarket filters can't fully replicate, because aftermarket manufacturers are calibrating to published specs rather than the internal engineering data that GM uses. The PF2232 is built to keep abrasive particles away from bearings and hydraulic components, the components that are most sensitive to contamination and most expensive to repair when they fail. GM updates production and service part designs regularly as engine technology evolves, which means this filter stays current with your vehicle's actual requirements. For GM vehicle owners, the question isn't whether to run the OE filter, it's whether an aftermarket alternative can genuinely match it. Number 5 is the Mann oil filter, and this is the pick that European vehicle owners need to know about. Mann is one of the largest filtration manufacturers in the world and supplies OE filters directly to BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche. Their aftermarket filters are manufactured to the same specification. The engineering precision that sets Mann apart is in the bypass valve design. Mann's valves have clearly defined opening and closing characteristics. Oil flow through the filter is consistent and predictable, regardless of operating temperature or pressure variations. The combination of high dirt holding capacity with minimal pressure drop is the technical balance that defines a genuinely premium filter. You want maximum contaminant capture without restricting oil delivery to critical engine components. For BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Porsche owners running any oil type, Mann is the standard. For American and Japanese vehicle owners, the top 4 picks are going to fit and perform better for your application. At number 4, I'm putting the Toyota OEM oil filter, and this is the pick that Toyota and Lexus owners need to hear about before they grab any aftermarket alternative. Toyota's OEM filter is a direct fit, genuine original equipment component, engineered specifically for Toyota engines and recommended for use with Toyota motor oil products. The engineering specification for a Toyota filter isn't published for aftermarket manufacturers to replicate exactly. Toyota calibrates their bypass valve settings, media density, and flow characteristics to their specific engine designs. For Toyota and Lexus owners, the OEM filter provides the peace of mind that comes with knowing every specification is exactly right for your engine. Flow rate, bypass pressure, media density, gasket material, and thread spec. If you're running a Toyota or Lexus and you want zero compromises on fitment and specification accuracy, this is the filter. It earns its spot at number 4, specifically for Toyota and Lexus drivers. The bronze medal goes to the K&N HP7020, and K&N earns this spot by doing what they've always done best: engineering a filter that delivers exceptional oil flow without sacrificing protection. The HP7020 is built around high flow rates, consistent, high-volume oil delivery to your engine throughout the entire service interval. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media handles all oil types, including full synthetic, and it's been laboratory tested for both capacity and burst strength. 2 specifications that tell you the filter will hold its shape and its performance under real operating pressure, not just in controlled conditions. The wrench-off removal design is a practical detail that matters at oil change time: fast, clean, and no special tools required. For standard everyday driving, the top 2 picks push filtration efficiency further, but K&N earns the 3rd spot for the drivers who need what it offers. Number 2 is the Fram Ultra Synthetic, and I'll say it plainly. If your opinion of Fram is based on their budget orange filters, the Ultra Synthetic requires a completely fresh evaluation. These are different products built to different standards, and treating them as the same filter is a mistake. The silicone non-drainback valve is where the Fram Ultra Synthetic genuinely distinguishes itself, rated at up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves. For synthetic oil users specifically, this matters. Full synthetic oil runs thinner at operating temperature than conventional oil, and when an engine is fully heat-soaked after a long drive, a standard drainback valve can allow oil to migrate away from the filter. The Fram Ultra's valve holds under those exact conditions, keeping oil staged and ready so your next startup gets immediate lubrication rather than a momentary dry run. For drivers running full synthetic on extended intervals who want premium protection without paying top dollar, the Fram Ultra Synthetic is one of the best value propositions in the category. And the best oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP. This is the filter that earns number 1 not because of marketing, not because of brand recognition, but because of what's actually inside it. Wix has spent decades supplying original equipment filters to vehicle manufacturers worldwide. The XP line is their premium synthetic specific filter, engineered from the ground up for synthetic motor oil, extended drain intervals, and severe service conditions. The filtration media is next-generation synthetic, blended with natural fibers, and the detail that defines this filter's engineering quality is the one that most people walk right past. The structural integrity of this media is so high that it eliminates the need for wire backing entirely. The result of that media quality is 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns. 23 microns is exceptionally fine. The wear particles that cause the most cumulative long-term engine damage, the ones that work between bearing surfaces and gradually score cylinder walls, fall right in that range. If you want the best oil filter available in 2026, this is it. Wix XP, number 1. That's the complete ranked list, the 8 best oil filters of 2026. All the links are in the description below, updated regularly, so pricing is always current. If this video helped you make the right call on your next filter, hit that like button. It makes a real difference for the channel. And subscribe if you haven't yet, because we do this same deep dive format across every major product category. See you in the next one.